It's not.
Good. Good.
Okay. You know what? You're a bitch. Exactly. That's driving my car. Maybe it's gonna. We should have talked.
I took a picture already.
Who was driving? Was it Hillary?
Yeah.
Never let anybody drive my car.
Jackie's actually recording it. I'm a good driver.
Come on, hey.
Drive
Hey,
it.
let the horn. Now, look at this. Let's go on my page. You suck at life.
Bad luck.
Get it, quick. Catch up.
Oh shit.
Get it to turn off.
Oh, for crying out loud.
Turn it off.
Oh.
Turn
There it
it
is.
off.
No, now it's gonna happen again because we're turning.
Stop.
Let's just go off the hill. It doesn't matter. We're all dead anyways.
I don't know if I should go on 51 or go through.
Just go 51. Just get back as soon as possible.
I wish we had this thing on. It would tell us what time.
I'm trying to think of